Hey there! Today, I want to introduce you to one of the quiet giants of the ocean grouper. This slow-moving, heavy-bodied fish may not look like much at first glance, but it's a true treasure beneath the waves, from its biology and flavor to its place in global cuisine. And yes, even in Elon Musk's dinner plate. There's a lot more to this fish than meets the eye. Let's start with the basics. Grouper is commonly found in the Gulf of Mexico, the coasts of Florida, the Bahamas, and throughout the Caribbean. It loves rocky bottoms, coral reefs, and the shadows of sunken ships. It doesn't chase, it waits, patient and still, and when the moment's right, it strikes with terrifying speed. Some species of grouper can grow well over 400 pounds. That's right, over 200 kilograms of pure muscle. Reeling one in is less of a catch and more of a showdown. Biologically, grouper is fascinating. It starts life as a female, and as it grows older and larger, transitions to male. This unique trait plays a crucial role in population management, because the largest ones are the breeders. That's why certain types, like the Goliath grouper, are now protected in many regions. Harvesting them irresponsibly could disrupt an entire generation. So how do you catch a grouper? It usually involves a boat, deep water, and a whole lot of patience. Bottom fishing is the standard technique, using heavy sinkers and live bait like squid or sardines. When it bites, it pulls hard, and believe me, the grouper doesn't come up easy. There's a saying among Gulf Coast anglers: either you catch the grouper, or the grouper catches you. And now for one of the most surprising parts of this story. Believe it or not, Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, is a huge fan of grouper. That's right, the man planning to colonize Mars has a soft spot for this humble fish from the deep. According to close sources, Musk's love for grouper was first revealed during a private dinner with friends at a beachside villa in Florida. The chef prepared a whole grilled grouper seasoned simply with olive oil, garlic, lemon zest, and thyme. Musk reportedly took a bite and smiled, saying, "This fish is clean, powerful, and elegant, just like the designs we aim for." Later, during an internal SpaceX event, he even referenced grouper as an example of natural efficiency. He said the grouper is a model for low complexity and high impact. It moves with purpose, conserves energy, and dominates without chaos. Pretty wild to think a tech billionaire finds inspiration in a fish, right? So let's talk food. Grouper's meat is white, firm, and very low in bones. One of the reasons it's loved by chefs around the world. If you're baking it whole, go simple: olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, and fresh herbs. Roast it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, around 180 degrees Celsius, for about 30 to 35 minutes. You'll get a crispy top and juicy inside. For fillets, pan-sear them with a bit of butter and garlic, just a couple of minutes on each side. That brings out a light, nutty flavor. You can also try steaming it with vegetables or making a rich fish stew. It holds together well in any method. Of course, a great fish deserves great pairings. A lightly oaked Chardonnay is a classic match. Or go tropical with a Caribbean-style rum cocktail. For sides, something light and green works well, like artichokes with olive oil or a fresh fava bean puree. For salad, a classic Mediterranean plate with arugula, tomato, and sumac onions is a perfect match. The acidity cuts beautifully through grouper's rich bite. Now let's not forget the cultural side. Grouper holds a respected place in Mediterranean cuisine, but also stars in the Deep South. In Louisiana's Creole kitchens, you'll find it blackened and pan-seared with bold spices. In the Caribbean, it's often smoked in coconut husks and served with rum on the side. Native Floridians call it the wise one of the sea, for its calm strength and long life. At the end of the day, grouper isn't just a fish. It's a quiet force of nature, a symbol of balance, simplicity, and patience. It teaches us that power doesn't always need to roar. It can just be still and steady. And if it's good enough for Elon Musk's plate, well, maybe it deserves a place on yours too. If you enjoyed this video, drop a comment and let us know if you've ever tried grouper, or want to. How would you cook it? And what do you think about Elon Musk's love for this fish? Until next time, stay curious, stay hungry, and may your line always stay tight. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new uploads. And most importantly, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Your support means a lot to me and keeps me going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.